Hi guys, we're at Pratt Visuals today talking to Kenny Stratton. They just got put in a new processor. So Kenny, tell us a little bit about yourself. How long you been at Pratt Visuals?
I've been here for 40 years, running presses for this company, and very excited about the new processor, the new technology they put in these presses. We choose M&R products because they hold up for a long time. We just got rid of a processor that I ran for, I don't know, since 1996. I really like this new press that we got here because it's got more electronics to it, and it's more accurate, and you just can't beat an M&R press.
How long has it taken for them to set this up, Kenny?
It only took them about maybe 4 days.
Wow.
We had everything prepped, and they came in here, and I even painted the floor before we put it in.
Looks great. It looks great. I'm excited to see it.
And like right now, we're dialing everything in. We just printed our first job on the press, and I'm really excited about it.
What does the processor do for your operation? How does it help your team?
The quality. Quality is more important than anything, and the speed of the press now. With this new technology you guys put in these presses, I mean, we could print like 200, maybe 300, depending what kind of material we're printing on it an hour. I would recommend M&R to any printing company out there if there's still screen printing out there. But like I said, our company kept the screen printing alive, and I was shocked when they ordered this press because I would never think we'd ever have a new screen press.
Yeah. You said your old press was what, 1998?
1996.
1996 processor was your old processor. You got a new processor now. Did you do anything special for that old processor to keep it running for that long, or was it?
Well, there's a lot of Band-Aids on that press.
A lot of
but it was still running when I did my last print the day before we tore it out. I had my last job on there.
That's awesome. That's awesome. 30 years, almost 30 years. It's pretty impressive for any press to last. So Kenny, thank you so much for telling us a little bit about the processor and everything else you have going on here at Pratt Visuals. Now get out of here and go get a drink with Bob and Tramer. They owe you one after all this hard work.
I hope they give me a drink.
Maybe more than one, huh?
Yeah.
2 or 3?
Yeah.
Maybe 4?